Hello, welcome to English with Sophia, where we learn English naturally so you can speak effortlessly. In this video, we will explore tips to improve your English speaking skills. Are you excited? Let's get started. Hello, Mr. Thompson. I hope I'm not interrupting. Do you have a moment?
Yes, Billa, I'm available. Please take a seat and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. I appreciate your time.
So, what brings you here today?
I'm here to enhance my English speaking abilities.
That's excellent, Billa. Seeking help is the first step towards improvement.
I feel quite nervous when I need to speak English.
It's perfectly normal to feel that way. With consistent practice, you'll soon speak with confidence.
How did you become so fluent in English?
It required dedication and daily practice, regardless of the circumstances.
That's truly inspiring.
Thank you. Now, let's begin with some practical exercises.
I'm all ears, Mr. Thompson.
Excellent. Let's start with some basic introductions.
Hello, I'm Billa. What's your name?
Hi, Billa. I'm Mr. Thompson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Thompson.
Great. Now, let's talk about hobbies. What do you like to do?
I enjoy reading and going for walks. What about you?
I'm also fond of reading. It's a great way to relax and expand vocabulary.
I agree. It's a subtle way to improve language skills.
Indeed, practice is key to mastery.
I plan to practice every day.
Keep up the great work. If you need assistance, I'm here to help.
Thanks, Mr. Thompson. I already feel more confident.
That's why I'm here. We'll face these challenges together. Remember, mastering a language takes time and dedication.
I'm determined to excel in English. That's the spirit. I'll support you every step of the way. I'm fortunate to have you as my instructor.
It's my pleasure, Billa. Let's continue working hard to improve your English skills. Let's focus on building your confidence.
I'm ready, Mr. Thompson. Let's do this.
Firstly, consistency is crucial. Practice daily.
Understood. Daily practice is my new routine.
Also, immerse yourself in English by listening, watching, and reading.
I'll surround myself with English in all possible ways.
Lastly, don't fear making mistakes. They are part of the learning process.
It's comforting to know that mistakes are acceptable.
Absolutely. Now, let's practice some common phrases.
I'm ready, Mr. Thompson. Let's start.
Repeat after me. How are you?
How are you?
Perfect. Now say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? Excellent. Keep practicing and it will soon become second nature. Thanks, Mr. Thompson. You're an excellent coach.
Anytime, Billa. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you for your support, Mr. Thompson.
I'm here to guide you through your English learning journey.
I'm eager to tackle this challenge with your help.
Let's do it, Billa. Now, let's explore some common idioms and expressions.
I'm curious, Mr. Thompson. Please share some.
All right. What does bite the bullet mean?
Is it about facing a difficult situation bravely?
Exactly. Now, how about break the ice?
It means to initiate a conversation in a social context.
Right again. You learn quickly, Billa.
Thanks to your effective teaching, Mr. Thompson.
You're welcome, Billa. Mastering English takes time and effort.
I'm ready to invest the effort. Let's progress together. Excellent, Billa. Let's continue practicing. Ready for some role-playing? Yes, I'm prepared. I'm excited to practice my English skills.
Imagine I'm lost and you're assisting me.
Understood. What can I help you with, Mr. Thompson?
Could you direct me to the nearest museum?
Certainly. Continue straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Well done, Billa. You're doing wonderfully.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. This practice is quite enjoyable.
Now, let's switch roles. You're the tourist, and I'll guide you.
Here I go. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest coffee shop is?
It's just around the corner. Turn right at the next intersection, and it's on your left.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime. If you need directions again, just ask.
Will do. Thanks again.
You're progressing well, Billa?
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. These exercises are really boosting my confidence.
That's the goal. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve.
I'm determined to master English.
I believe in you, Billa. You have the potential.
Thanks for today's lesson, Mr. Thompson.
It's my pleasure, Billa.
I'll keep working hard. It feels like you've unlocked the key to speaking English confidently. With your help, Mr. Thompson, I feel like I'm exploring a new world.
That's my role, Billa. Guiding you through the intricacies of English. It's rewarding to see your success.
I appreciate your support, Mr. Thompson.
It's my pleasure, Billa.
Well, get ready, Mr. Thompson. I'm determined to become fluent in English.
Remember, Billa, progressing in English, like any skill, takes time and dedication. I'm confident you'll achieve your goals with your commitment and hard work. Keep up the great work.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson. I'll keep pushing forward and striving to improve.
Here are some vocabulary words used today. Jittery means feeling nervous or uneasy. Proficient refers to being skilled in a particular activity. Dedication is the quality of being committed to a task. Beef up means to strengthen or enhance something. Tackle means to address a problem or task. Boosting refers to increasing or improving something. Consistency means maintaining the same level of behavior or performance. Surround means to envelop or encircle. Reassuring refers to making someone feel less worried. Phrases are groups of words that stand together as a unit. Idioms are phrases with meanings not deducible from individual words. Expressions are phrases used to convey an idea. Pretend play involves engaging in imaginative activities. A natural is someone who is innately skilled. A tourist is a person traveling for pleasure. A guide is someone who leads others. Determined means having a resolute commitment. Confidently means with assurance in one's abilities. Did you enjoy today's conversation? Was it helpful? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. We hope these tips help you improve your English speaking skills. Thank you for watching English with Sophia,
where we learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for joining us today. And that wraps up our session for today. If you found this video helpful and you're looking forward to more engaging and practical English lessons, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English with Sophia. Your support helps us create more content that can assist you and many others in mastering English. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the conversation today, and share this video with friends and family who are also on their journey to fluency. Remember, every subscription and like motivates us to bring you more valuable lessons. Join our community and let's improve our English skills together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.